Heyo, it's Casey Jo, and good morning everyone. It is about 9 o'clock in the morning, and today me and one of my really good friends, Leah, are going to the beach and spending the day there and just hanging out and catching up, because we've been friends since kindergarten, so almost 13 years now, but our schedules clash like no other, so we don't get to hang out all that often, but we're still best friends. So we're gonna spend the day at the beach together and just hang out. Can't wait. I got my beach bag with some snacks in it and a towel and a blanket, and I got my cooler all packed and ready to go, and I have my peach iced tea, and now I'm going to pick her up. So Brittany is at soccer captains right now, and we're picking her up, basically kidnapping her and taking her to the beach, and I'm with Leah.
Hi!
And I can't wait for a beach day. I'm so excited.
Me too.
What is she doing? We made it to the beach. We just set up all our stuff and we're just sitting and eating because I'm starving. Some veggie straws pretzels. And some pretzels. Say hi.
Hi!
Hi.
I got problem in my mouth too, it's kind of gross. I can do a talking. What a freaking workout! Good luck, kid. Thanks for all. Brittany, how did this work out for you? Yeah, I'm stuck.
Uh-oh. Oh! This is a good effort. Today was the perfect beach day. It was so nice and sunny out all day, and it still is. Yeah. Yeah, so my phone died at the beach, but after we spent time on the beach, we got Tripoli's pizza, which I absolutely love. Leah and Brittany had never had Tripoli's before, so took their Tripoli's virginity today. I love Tripoli's pizza. And then we walked around this little store, which I thought was going to be like really cute little store, but it ended up being like this little weird thrift shop thing. Yeah, I don't know, it was kind of weird. But then me and Leah got blue raspberry slushies, and we made our way back. So I dropped Brittany off first, and then Leah, because they both had stuff to do. And now I'm just about to go jump in the pool, because it's still really hot. I still have like salt or sand or whatever in my eyebrows and stuff. Oh, look at the sun. Yikes. And yeah, that's about it. Today was a good day.